So I'm at Mount Vernon, and they got these pegs up on top and at the bottom to lock the door. What? They got these pegs to go in the hole on the ground and on top to lock the doors. Well, anyway, sometimes those jump off and they off the holder and they drop down. So I'm fucking pushing a box on it, fucking won't go. The door won't fucking go, and I'm fucking messing with the metal rod that usually locks the door. But what the fuck? They got like 3 or 4 rivets at the bottom. There's this like flathead screw that fucking flipped up. Just a little fucking little screw flipped up. And it was stopping me from going out the fucking door. And then I noticed what it was and I fucking pushed hard. But I'm like, what the fuck is going on? It's pissing me off. It was like one of those, damn, red light fucking runner. Holy shit. Every fucking time there's accidents here. It's those like flathead screws that, what do you call them?